There was a trick that I did 4 days ago, half of it by accident, and I hope to do at least the first part again today. And it's a new spin that I did, and I was working on this new spin, and I went to combo it, and the second half of the combo was purely an accident. I was trying not to fall and ended up doing like 3 or 4 more new tricks. And that's the plan, to just do the trick again, at least the first part. And it's a new spin that I think would be very useful to my trick list. It's basically a half flash, and then I hold it with 2 feet and spin with the scooter fakie but on the pegs. And I seen it in BMX. I watched this Japanese person do the trick on a bike, and it obviously looks so cool on the bike, so I tried my best to do it on a scooter and made it work as best as possible. It's like the scooter version of it. We're still gonna warm up. I got the basketball court open right now, and I know people are coming here within an hour, so we got an hour to film this video, do this trick, and maybe do a new combo. Issue right now is that this floor it looks so good, but when you're riding on it, there's these weird dips, and there's 2 times that I felt perfectly smooth and the floor just got me to, you know, it's this weird feeling. I'm picky, but for a reason. All I need is smooth ground. That's it, and I can have a good session. I'm kind of migrating around this court to trying to find the best little area, just because the trick that I'm going to try, probably after a few more warm-up tricks, is very sensitive. It's so sensitive. Once I lock into the spin, I need it to be smooth. But there's a few things I want to do to kind of prepare for that. I need to do at least a spinning half flash, just because that's the first step of it. And I need to do at least some spinning hang 10s, because you put those 2 together, then this trick should work. And I don't know what combo is going to come from it, but again, this was a trick that was 50% of an accident, and I hope to do it again because the trick looks cool. So I can bring that accident to life again, and then the floor is really bad. I really think this is the best spot too, and I don't know, just because this trick, you can't really go too fast. If you go too fast and you don't spin, you end up doing like G-turns and turbines. That's not the plan, because I just learned this trick. That usually comes after. When you learn to spin really fast, then you can do the G-turns where you go backwards, fakie, front and back, or pumping and hops, and this is a brand new trick for me, so definitely not there yet. I think I'm just gonna give it a try and hope that I can center myself on this floor. But I don't know what it's called. What is it called? Is it it's like a spinning half flash? Oh no, like a spinning steamroller. I guess that's what we call it. We call it a spinning steamroller. Okay, now I know the name of the trick. We'll give it a try. Went from an accident to hopefully on purpose. Let's see what happens. Come on, dude. Oh, that was so, I don't know. I don't know whether to go fast and then tighten up, or go slow and try to spin fast. Like, it's still new for me. I was trying to learn this trick live with you guys right now, and that was one. But when I did the one in my garage that I'll show you right here, it was like a perfect single spin where I probably could have done more, but I just wanted to land it first. And then now I just want to do that again, and then work on getting at least 1 spin at a time, then doing 2, and hopefully I can learn to keep it and like pump that. Oh, that one was good. What the hell? Idiot, couldn't hold that one. That one was smooth. Alright, sick. I think it's more important to try to just get more spins than combos, because if I can spin good and be comfortable, then I can do whatever I want after. Maybe not whatever I want, but I know I could combo into some basic stuff after for sure. That one was good. That was probably like 1.5 or almost 2. I mean, you'll never know sometimes. I mean, unless I tell you in captions on posts and stuff, but there's been a lot of tricks that have just happened and they weren't planned. And there's been a lot of planned tricks that didn't even happen. So you just kind of need to go with it and go with instinct. But we'll try to do one more. This is a spinning steamroller. Never seen it besides a BMX, so this is cool. New trick that hasn't really been explored on a scooter, but not just for me, just period. What just happened? What was that? What? Dude, I gotta replay that. Hold on a second, stand by. See? That's the point of this, was to turn an accidental trick into not an accidental, and that was just more of an accident. What are we gonna do? Try to use your imagination and see if you can come up with new ways of doing your tricks, or take a basic trick and just do something weird with it and see what happens. That was on purpose. I was like, all right, if I get into this scooter fakie again, then I'm definitely doing a compass or switch compass. Sick. Okay, cool. Progression. I feel like that has to do with a lot of imagination when you come up with something, and what can come from it, and then you try things. And then there's been so many times where something was an accident, or my scooter fell a certain way, or I threw it wrong, and it ended up being a cool new way of doing something. And this is an example. I was trying to do, what was I trying to do when I did this? I think I was trying to do the steamroller, and I didn't think it was gonna work out like that. I thought it was just gonna be like a mini 1 foot thing, but I was able to come out of the foot on, and it worked out. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments. It's kind of what I've been working on, and you'll see more of this in post. Definitely want to learn more of the steamroller, and a goal of mine is to probably be able to pump it, or at least do 3 spins. I feel like 3 spins is a good amount to kind of have something good to post and be proud of. We did 2 or 2.5. You tell me in the comments. Let me know what tricks you want to learn. I'll be making shorts every day on the channel early in the morning, more focused on tricks for you guys to learn, and then long videos every day around 3, 4 o'clock. So those comments are really helpful, because then I can basically have a list of tricks that you want to learn and just make the videos all the time. You guys can see them in the morning. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Subscribe for daily videos, 2 videos a day every single day, and I'll see you in the next one.